Hi everyone, good evening. So today for all the students who are going to answer CAT exam, UGC net exam is soon going to be in June, CAT exam will be in November, and all the management aptitude entrance exam plus IPMAT exam. So students, those who are answering this exam, so I'm going to cover one topic today, and the name of the topic is conversion from binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So it's basically base system. Basically base system. Right? Base system. So what happened in base system? What is binary? What is binary base system? What is decimal base system? What is octal base system? Hexadecimal base system? So consider, right? You know computers, right? Some of you have studied computers. Computer know basically two digits, right? All the numbers which are formed in computer are basically formed by digits 0 and 1. That's called binary. Called binary. Then you have decimal. So decimal base system is the base system which we use. Then you have octal. Let's say there is another planet where people are using octal base system, and there is hexadecimal. Let's say there is one more planet where people are using hexadecimal base system. So how this thing works? So as we know in binary, it is first is 0, digit is 0, and then second digit is 1. First digit is 0, second digit is 1. Now next number in binary will be formed by 0 and 1 only, right? That means in 1, if you add another 1, so you'll not write 2 in binary. You'll not write 2 in binary. You will write 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and 1 carry forward. Like in decimal, after 9, what you write? You write 1, right? 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1, you don't write 10, you basically write 0 and 1 as carry forward, and we call it as a 10 because this is the decimal system we are using. Every time you cannot write, call 10 as 10, 100 as 100. So that's why I give some name to it, right? So here 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry forward will become 10. So your next digit will be 10. Then after 10, you again add 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, which we can write in binary, and there is no carry forward. So this will come as it is. It will become 1, 1. Then again you add 1 to this in binary. When you add 1 to this, so 1 plus 1 is 0. And then 1 is carry forward. And again 1 plus 1 is 0. Then 1 is carry forward. So it will become 100. Now you keep on adding 1, 1 to it. Every time wherever you find 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In binary, the moment your mouth says 1 plus 1 is 2, see, बोलता है 1 plus 1 is 2. इसका मतलब 1, 0 रखना है, 1 carry forward. Now 0 plus 1 is 1, no carry forward, so 0, 1. And again 1 plus 1, अब इसमें 1 ऐड किया तो 1 plus 1 is 2. बस 2 नहीं लिखेंगे, 0 and 1 carry forward and 1. This is 1. Then again adding 1 to this, so 1, 1, 1. Then again add 1 to this, so 1 plus 1 is 2, but लिखेंगे क्या? 0, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 1 plus 1, and this. Then you have 1, 0, 0, 1. Then you have 1, so 1 plus 1, 0. Sorry. Then again adding 1 to this, so it is 1, 0, 1, 1. Then again adding 1 to this, so 1 plus 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0. And then 1, 1, 0, 1, and so on, right? Next number also you can write it down here. This will be equal to 1 plus 1, 0. It will be, and after that you can write down the next number. Now in decimal, your 0 is always equal to 0, 1 is equal to 1. But this is nothing but equal to 2 in decimal. This is nothing but equal to 3. This is nothing but equal to 4. This is nothing but equal to 5. Nothing 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14 and so on. Now, few more things which we have to understand. So, if you see the digits, right, these are 2-digit numbers here, right? These are 3-digit numbers. If you see 2-digit number is nothing but 2, 3-digit number is 4. Now, 4-digit number will be equal to how much? So, there is something which you need to understand it, right? Here. In this case, this is 2 raised to the power 1. This is what? 2 square. This will be what? 2 cube. 2 cube means 8 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after 1, 1, 1, 0, if you add 1 to this, so 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1, 1. Right. Next number will be 1, 1, 1, 1. After that, when you add another number, it will be 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. That's how the next number will be. The number after this will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So that means 1. One, 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 one. So just a reference point of view. See, this 2 cube means 8, starting with 8. 2 square, 4, right? Just keep these pattern in mind. Although they don't ask you any question based on this pattern, but they can ask. Right? You never know. In octal, what happened? Your first digit is 0. Octal means all the digits will be from 0 to 7 will be there. In decimal, all digits from 0 to 9 will be there. In binary, you have only 0 and 1. So 0, then you have 1, then you have 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, then you have 5, then you have 6, then you have 7. So in octal, you cannot write 8 because you have already taken 8 digits. There are 8 digits in octal. Next digit will be what? Now 7 plus 1. Although in decimal we call it 8, we write it 8, but in octal it is 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 0 and 1 carry forward. So it will become 1 0. Right? So this will become 1 0. This will become 1 1. This will become 1 2. This will become 1 3. This will become 1 4. Become 1 5. Become 1 6. After that, you'll have 1 7. And after 1 7, you add 1 to it, 7 plus 1 0, 1 carry forward. Become 2 0, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5. And in hexadecimal, you have 0 equivalent to 0, 1 equivalent to 1, 2 equivalent to 2, 3 equivalent to 3, 4, 5. I'm comparing everything with decimal. 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 8 and then 9. Right? Then you don't write 10, you write A, you write B, you write C, you write D, you write E, and for the next number, that means for 17, you write F. So in hexadecimal, you have 16 digits from 0 to F. Basically, you write it as 0 to 9 and then A to F. In hexadecimal, these are 17 digits. Right? You can pause this video and make a note of it. Let us understand how to convert these numbers from binary decimal to binary to hexadecimal. So let me explain you this, right? First we'll understand conversion from binary to decimal. Right? If there is any number and you want to convert that number from binary to decimal. So how to do it? Suppose we have a number 111, right, which is in binary, and you want to convert this number into decimal based system. So to convert any binary number into decimal based system, what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to take this 1 multiplied with 2 raised to the power 0, start with this 1 digit and raise to 2 raised to the power 0, then this second one 2 raised to the power 1, and then 1 and 2 square. Now what is 2 square into 1? Which is 4. 2 ones are 2 and 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. Convert, let's say another number. Let's say you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Sorry, 1, 1, 1. In binary, you cannot write 2 ever, right? From binary to decimal, want to convert this. So again, what you can do, you can start from here, you write 1 into 2 raised to the power 0, then you write this 1 into 2 raised to the power 1, plus you write 1 into 2 raised to the power 2, then you write 0 into 2 cube, then you write 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. Now this is 16, this is already 0, 2 square 4, this is 2, and this is 1. So 16 plus 4, 20, plus 2, 22, plus 1, 23. So that is how you convert a number from binary to decimal. Now also let us understand, if we want to convert a number from decimal to binary, want to convert any number from decimal to binary. So you have, let's say 7, right? And which is there in decimal, and you want to convert this number into binary. So you write this 7 and divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, right? So 2 3s are 6 and write the remainder here. Then again divide this with 2. Why dividing with 2? Because converting into binary. So again 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 1. After that you cannot divide this 1, right? 2 3s are 6 and remainder is 1. Again 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 1. And after that you cannot divide it, so you have to write it in this order, right? Write it in this order, and this will be equal to 1, 1 and 1. Same way, if you want to convert this 23, from decimal to binary, right? Convert from decimal to binary. What we are supposed to do in this case, you take 23 and divide by 2. So 2 11s are 22 and remainder is 1. Then again 2 5s are 10 and remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. And 2 1s are 2 and remainder is 0. Once you are done with this, then you write in this order. Which order? 1 0 1 1 1. 1 0 1 1 1. See? So, if you want to convert any number in such form from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, this is what you are supposed to do. Next is, suppose you want to convert a number from, let's say, from any other base, right, to binary, or from binary to any other base. To convert any number from binary, let's say, let's do it from binary to octal, right? Want to convert from binary to octal. So I would rather suggest you to go and first convert a binary into decimal and decimal to octal. How to do it? We'll take one example. Suppose in binary you have a number, let's say 1 1 1 1, right? 4 times 1. Right? And then you convert this into octal. Let's see how to do it. So first I told you, you have to write what? You have to write 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. Then 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. Then 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 cube. Now 2 cube is what? 8. 2 square is 4. 2 and 1. Now this is equal to what? 15. Now you converted this number into decimal, which is equal to 15. Now you have to convert this number from decimal to octal. So if you want to convert from decimal to octal, you take this number 15 and divide with 8. Why? Because you are converting into octal. So 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15. After that you cannot divide it, so write in this order. This will be 1. So 15 is nothing but equal to 17 in octal, right? And if you want to convert from octal to decimal, right? Suppose we have another question where we have 17 in octal and you want to convert into binary. So first you convert into decimal and then you convert into binary. This can also be done in the reverse order. Like how this will be done? You write 7 into 8 raised to power 0 plus 1 into 8 raised to power 1. So this is 8 plus 8 raised to power 0 is 1, 1 into 7 is 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Now you want to convert 15 from decimal to binary. So 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 3s are 6 and 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1. Now you write it in this order. It will be what? 1, 1, 1. So want to convert any number from octal to decimal or from one base to another base. This is how you can do this. So I hope you understood the basics of this conversion from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and from binary to octal, and octal to binary. So whenever we have such type of question, go and choose a simple, easy method rather than, unless you are very comfortable with this type of topic, should not make experiment in exam time. Try to keep it simple, right? To understand it, then only you attempt it. If not able to understand, leave that question. This conversion is not difficult, but at the same time it can cause problems to you, right? So I'll take up some problem in time to come. This next class, I'll take up some problem and we'll do those questions. So keep in touch. I have a YouTube channel. Name of the channel is Maths Pirates. Maths Pirates. I'll be taking more topic on various competitive exam. So students who are preparing for CAT exam, IPMAT exam, UGC NET exam, banking exam, or state government exam, we'll be taking more topics, try to explain you in a easier way. Thank you so much.